Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are stitching a vest, and the plan was that I have this piece of cloth lying around since COVID when I planned to make a quad set out of it. But the thing is that a quad set is very difficult to stitch, like hand stitch, and I don't have a sewing machine. I used to have one, but since we weren't using it as much, we got rid of it. And then when I decided that I want to stitch a piece of garment, I realized that it is very difficult to do the entire thing just by hand stitching. So this just the project just got away from me. And that day I was just passing by and I saw a vest that I really liked, and it was black and white. So I decided I do have a piece of garment, and vest is something I don't think is that difficult to just stitch by hand. And so I've decided to make a vest out of this piece of garment. So let's get into the video. So this is the piece of cloth, and I have cut it before, but when I started stitching it I realized that a quad set is very difficult. So we are going and stitching a vest. So basically I'm going to draw the pattern, and I'm just gonna make a pattern out of a vest that I already have. So let me just show you that. So this is the vest that I have, and this is my plan. I want to stitch something similar to this out of this. So let's see how it goes. All my patterns I'm gonna take from here. So this is going to be one piece, this is going to be one piece, and then the back is going to be one piece of cloth or two piece of cloths, and then you just have to basically hem the endings and then attach it. So it's quite easy and it's not that big. This is small, so I can do like a hand stitch kind of a thing, and let's see how it goes. So this is my stitching box that I got from DIY, and let's get to work. have made the vest out of this, and as you can see I have hand stitched entire everything. I have hand stitched, and I have attached the buttons. The most tricky part was to make the hole for the buttons, and rest was quite easy. You can see the chalk where I drew the chalk, and I have closed this. So I think this was a good first attempt, and I guess this is the first piece of cloth that I have completely stitched. So I am quite happy with the outcome. It's just that this piece of cloth, the fall of the piece of cloth is not great, so it needs a lining which will then steady the top even better, because it's quite the fall is not great. It needs some weight to it to, you know, to firmly fit to your body. So I'll do that later when I have the time to get a lining. But for now it's kind of wearable, where I can, you know, wear and show it to you. And so yeah, let's see how it looks. Hi. So this is the vest. I really like how it has turned out. It's just that it's a bit loose here, and but if I do this, it fits. And I personally really like it. It's just that I wish the cloth itself was, the fall of the cloth was a bit better, and I could add lining to this, and you know, if the fit would be so much better with the lining. But otherwise I think I did a pretty good job for my first piece of clothing that I managed to stitch, and it's quite comfy, let me tell you. And I am not unbuttoning it and buttoning it again and again. I'm just simply just wearing it as it is, which is again ease of wear is there. And I really like it. And yeah, I'm gonna see exciting way to pair this with. And I hope you like this video, and if you found it interesting, let me know what else you would like me to make when it comes to clothes, not clothes. And see you in the next video.